everyone, welcome to Rev Up Learning, and in today's video we'll be looking at multiplication. So I have this new topic on multiplication for everybody. So I decided we can look at the topic on multiplication. So I will start with, what is multiplication? Multiplication is an operation along with addition, subtraction, and division. Now, this is a operation in math specifically, and it involves combining equal groups of objects to find the total number of objects. Essentially, multiplication is repeated addition. Instead of adding something and you keep doubling it, you instead multiply to make the process much easier for you. For example, if you have 3 groups of 4 apples each, you can find the total number of apples by multiplying 3. The number of groups, 3 is your number of groups, 3 groups, and in each group there are 4 apples. In this case, 3 is the number of groups. You are multiplying 3 by 4. So you're multiplying 3 by 4, the number of apples in each group, which equals 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. If you add 3, so which means it can be written as, to expand the multiplication, 3. It is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 threes, or any way you put it, it's still the same. It's still gonna be the same, which is 3 times 4. So there are 2 parts of a multiplication equation, which are factors, which the factors are the numbers being multiplied. In this case, it's 3 and 4, which is so it's 3 times 4. Yes. So the numbers being multiplied is 3 and 4 in this case, and the product is the result of the multiplication. In this case, is 12. That's the product. You may be wondering, hey, products like the products you buy from a store. Well, that's the name that we call it in the mathematical term when we multiply after getting our answer. We call it the product. That's what they call it in multiplication. Like in addition, they call it the sum. Now let's take another example so you could look at. We're gonna have more examples for you to look at. Now, let's take another example. 6 multiplied by 5. So that's simply, to put it in a shorter form, 6 times 5. You have 6 groups of 5 cards each. Instead of adding 5 6 times, which is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, you multiply 6 by 5, which is 6 times 5. And the answer, or the product, let's put it that way, the product is 30. So if you simply look at it, your answer or product will be 30, because 5 times 6 is 30. Don't worry, you might be wondering, how do I solve? So how do I solve multiplication? So it's quite simple when you want to solve multiplication, because once you learn your multiplication tables, you'll be able to understand your multiplication. So let me add on to some examples. There are 8 apples in total. So if there are 8 apples in total, I want to multiply something here. Instead of counting all these 8 apples, I want to multiply them. So you might say, okay, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then another 2 plus 2 equals 4. So I have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We'll multiply 2 times 4. That means we have two groups of 4 apples each. So there are 4 apples in each two groups. So let me put it 4 times 2 or 2 times 4. Well, either way you flip it, it's going to give you the same answer. It wouldn't change your answer. It could be 4 times 2. It could be 2 times 4. Now you can see the multiplication sign. It would be 2 times 4. Either way, it's still going to give you the same answer. 2 times 4, it could give you the same answer. Now, it could be 2 times 4, it could be either way. Now, instead of adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, we'll simply just multiply 2 by 4 or 4 by 2. It's still the same, still give you the same answer. So 2 in each group there are, in this group there's 2, in this group there's 2, in this group there's 2, in this group there's 2. Instead of adding plus and then plus, we're gonna simply multiply the two groups. Because this is the fastest way, we're simply gonna multiply both of these groups, which will give us 8. So 8 is our answer. So 8. Alright, 8. Now, there's another example. The last example I'll be giving you guys for today. This is the last example I'm gonna give you guys. So here's another example. Zooming in. So I'm sure you can already see it. So here's 6. Here are multiple cards here. I don't want to say the number, so you can count it with that. Let me put it here. Okay, so there are multiple cards in this photo. In this group, in this group, in this group, and in this group. Now, there are multiple cards in this photo, which I want to put it like this so you guys can see what I mean. So in this group, okay, there are how many cards here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 in each group. So this is one group. This is another group. Let me make the line thinner. So there are actually 4 cards in each group. So we want to multiply instead of adding 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. We want to multiply to make the process faster. In this case, what we want to do is we want to simply multiply. So there are 16 cards here in total. Okay, there are 16 cards. So instead of adding 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we simply just do it this way. This is one group of cards. This is another group. Another group. So there are 4 of 4 groups. There are 4 cards in each group. This is the first group. This is the second group. Third group, and this is the fourth group. So in this case, we'll have to multiply 4 by 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. So 4 times 4 is simply 16. Instead of adding 4 times, like 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and it's still equals 16. We simply multiply the equation to make it shorter and easier for us to solve. So that's pretty all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, share the video with others. Do anything you can to support our channel. It means the world to us. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.